What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can show off your new flares to your friends in Pokemon TCG Pocket. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So let's get started. Once you open up Pokemon TCG Pocket, you just need to go to your card collection right here, in the bottom left corner. Once you open up your card collection, here are 3 ways that you can equip flares: by binders, display boards, or decks. So I just recently found out that you can actually equip a flare by using a display board. And that is the method that we will be using to equip a flare and show it off on our profile so everyone can see. So what you need to do is click on display boards. Then we will create a new board by clicking create new. We will select a display background, so let's say this one. Now press OK. And here, before we add a card, you need to set the status in the upper left corner to public or friends only. But if you set it to public, both everyone and your friends can see it. If you set it to friends, only your friends could see it. So I will leave it to public. And now we will add our card. So keep in mind that you need to add a card for which you own a flare for. So I have flare for Slowbro, so I will just add a Slowbro card. So this one right here, it even has a flare icon next to it. Now just select it and click add. From here you need to click save right here. And now when it's saved, you need to click edit right here in the upper right corner. Once you click edit, all you need to do is tap on your card. And this flare icon will appear in the bottom right corner of the card. So now you need to click on that icon and select one of your flares that you own. I only have one flare for Slowbro, so I will select that one. And click use. Now the flare is equipped and all you need to do is click save. And here is how our display board will look. So now when we created a display board, you can exit and go to your home page. From there you need to click on your profile picture. Now just scroll down a bit and click on the owned cards screen right here, where you can change the card on your profile. And now let's find our card, this one right here. So just click on it and click OK. And now the display board with that card is visible on your profile. So to see how it looks, just exit this, and we can take a look at one of our friends' profiles to see how their card looks, to get a better picture of how our card looks to them. And this is how a display board with a card will look to other people. But our card also has a flare on it. So that's how you can show off flares on your profile in Pokemon TCG Pocket. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.